Welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show,
sponsored by the
The
Auto
Auto
Shop.
Shop.
To schedule an appointment, please call 972-578-0588.
Or catch us online at
www.theautoshop.com.
www.theautoshop.com.
So, a lot of people recently have been asking us how we're doing with the ice and snow.
It's really cold here in Texas.
Yeah, there's still a lot of snow here in Texas. And
oh my God, we lost power at our house. It got down to 38 degrees inside, including while we had a fire in the fireplace all night long.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
It was cold. I moved from Canada so I wouldn't have to deal with this kind of stuff. But here we are in Texas.
She thought she was back in Canada in July.
That's true. I went camping one weekend, July 1st, and woke up to 1.5 inches of snow. But anyway, a lot of people are having issues with their swimming pools these days.
Yeah, because of the cold, the frigid cold. We got down to 0 degrees here on Monday, and we've had several inches of snow and ice on our pool.
Yes, and so we've been sharing with you what not to do and what to be careful about with your driving and hitting curbs and things like that. So we thought we'd share with you a little bit about what to do with your swimming pool.
How to take care of your pool in the wintertime when you have no power.
So the actress in this video clip is me.
There was no acting, but trust me, there was no acting.
Here we go.
Now this looks like a glamorous northern Wisconsin winter in Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas, people. Look at this pool. Oh, we got damage. Okay, we gotta get this taken care of.
Here we go. Here's Dr. Laura
with the shovel.
Okay, this is
break up the ice, because otherwise there's problems with the concrete of the pool and so forth.
If you don't break up the ice, it'll crack the pool. And so we threw noodles in the pool, those swim noodle things, to help.
But now we've got an icebreaker at work. How about this?
A northern icebreaker.
And doing an efficient job. And look at this. I mean, this is going to be busted up in minutes.
It's professional. You can tell she has many years of experience cracking up ice.
Yes. The form, the balance.
It could be Olympic.
The plan is coming together.
Very professional.
Yes. Wait for it.
It's beautiful. Look at we even threw some pieces of wood in the pool. We were told to do that. Yeah, it was nice, very nice.
For the expansion, ice expansion.
The ice expansion. That way, it won't destroy the concrete walls.
We're doing a good job too, but wait for it. I'll get a little piece, just a little bit out here, a little bit out here. Okay, I think we're good. We're gonna get this finished up. This job's about done.
Yeah.
Not quite there. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, here we go. And she's going to
no! She didn't quite make it. She didn't quite make it. But now she's splashing and swimming and thrashing about.
Oh, the guilt I feel for laughing. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, but she made it. She's finally coming out of the pool.
Okay, so now speed should be of essence here.
Yes.
We're going to make the mad
cold,
dash.
She's wet. Let's get to the house.
Inside.
Let's get to the house quickly.
Come on,
it's
there
warm.
is warmth.
Wait a minute.
There's a fire.
She's stopping.
Oh, we got to get the shovel. Okay.
She's got to grab the shovel.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. How conscientious.
But
wait, what's it?
What is she doing?
We missed a piece.
I had to finish the project.
Oh my God!
Notice she's working much closer to the edge. We're not going for any center ice.
And faster too. Okay, I think she's had enough.
Oh my. Security cams. This one's viral.
So this is what you don't do in your swimming pool.
Don't fall in. Don't fall in.
But I was only really got wet from the waist down because I was kind of on top of the
ice. Well, there are probably not that many people that actually have the ski suits that they wear while they're digging the ice out of the pool, for God's sake. And I was completely oblivious. I just want you to. I'm sitting at the dining room table working on the newsletter, and she came in, and I said, "What's going on?" She goes, "I fell in the pool." No, you did not.
So this is from the security camera. Okay, So watch it over and over again. Share it with your friends, and remember to come in and schedule an appointment to get the alignment checked on your vehicle.
And the good news is she's safe. I don't know how sound she is, but we got her warm real quick, and everything was good.
All right.
All right.
Schedule an appointment, 972-578-0588.
Or www.theautoshop.com. Stay safe, stay warm. Ciao, everybody.
See you next time.